exercise start. Problem number 1. An amount of rupees 8,400 is distributed among A, B and C in the ratio of 1:2:4. The difference between the shares of A and C. First of all, what is given? 8,400 rupees is given. This 8,400 A is to B is to C, distributing in the ratio of 1:2:4. Asked that the difference between A and C difference asked. That is why first of all we have to do A plus B plus C is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4. 7 parts. This 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7 parts. This 7 parts is equal to rupees how much? 8,400. The 8,400 is A plus B plus C. Now ask the difference. Difference of C minus A. C how many parts are there? 4. A how many parts? 1 is equal to difference is 3 parts. How much? Therefore 3 by 7 into 8,400. 7 1 ja 7 7 2 ja 14 is equal to 3,600. Nothing but the difference between A and C is 3,600. 3,600 is the difference of A and C. So first of all we have to understand here 8,400 is whose amount? Is it A's or B's or C's or all together? So this is all together. Means A plus B plus C amount is 8,400. That if we distributed in the ratio, the difference between C and A is equal to 3,600 is the answer. Now come to the question number 2. So question number 2 is an amount of rupees 2,050 is divided A, B and C such the ratio of A is to B 3:4 and B is to C 3:5. The share of C exceeds the share of A by. Means this question is somewhat different. A is to B ratio given. How much? 3:4. B is to C is also given. How much? 3:5. Then A plus B plus C is given. So A plus B plus C is equal to how much? 2,050. Now what is asked? C minus A asked. Same question. So this is given. So asked the C minus C. Now first of all, this B value is here 4. This B value is 3. When the difference are there given, compulsory we must make the B value equal. So there are different methods are there to make it equal, but I will teach you very shortcut method. Now first of all, whenever A is to B is given 3:4, otherwise A is to B is to C you have to write. So then B into C, B into B, A into B if you do, then we will get the ratio. I will write the values. This is the value what? 3:4. This is the value what? 3:5. Now 5 4 ja 20, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Now A is to B is to C is equal to, so 3 is to 9 is to 12 is to 20. Now what is asked in the question? A plus B plus C 2,050 is given. C minus A asked. Now A plus B plus C is equal to, so 20 plus 12 32 plus 9 41 parts. 41 parts is equal to 2,050. Now C minus A. C minus A is equal to 20 minus 9. 11 parts is equal to how much? 11 by 41 into 2,050. This 2,050 will go by 11. 41 1 ja, 41 5 ja is 50. 11 5 ja 5, 50 is equal to, answer is 550. Now first in the question, this is the question, 3:4, 3:5. The sum of their amount is 2,050. Now first of all we have to find out the ratio. 3:4, 3:5 if you write, then 9:12:20 you will get. The sum of their ratio is equal to 41 parts. 41 parts is equal to 2,050. Difference C minus A is equal to 11 parts is equal to how much? 11 by 41 into 2,050. With that our answer is 550. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is A is to B A is to B is given 2 is to 3. So B is to C is given 4 is to 5. Now ask the same A is to B is to C. Whenever asked like this, simple method is, so A is to B is equal to, simply you have to write that 2 is to 3. Then B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5. So shortcut is 5 3 is 15, 3 4 is 12, 2 4 2 is 8. Now ask the ratio only, that is why A is to B is to C is equal to, direct answer 8 is to 12 is to 15. This is the question. I wrote here question. This is our answer. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, A is to B is equal to 3 is to 5. Then B is to C is equal to 5 is to 6. C is to D is equal to, then 12 is to 21. Now ask this question, A is to B is to C is to D. It is very long question. No problem. Let us also solve this question in a shortcut. Now A is to B is what is given, 3 is to 5. You have to write first of all 3 is to 5. B is to C is what is given, 5 is to 6. You write like this, 5 is to 6. Next C is to D is what is given, 12 is to 21. Now please draw the line. So this is A is to B, this is B is to C, this is C is to D. First these three you have to multiply. This straight line multiply. 5 6 is 30. So 30 into 21 is equal to 0. So 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 630. So 5 6 is 30, 30 into 21 is equal to 630. Second step, this is the second step, like this. Means 5 6 is 30, 30 into 12 is equal to 360. Okay na? Third step, so 5 into 5 into 12. So 5 5 is 25, 25 into 2 is 50, carry 1, 25 1 is 25 plus 5, that is equal to, this is 300. Now fourth step, so this 3 5 12, 3 5 is 15, 15 into 12, 15 is 150 plus 30, so is equal to 180. Now A is to B is to C is to D is equal to, so A is to B is to C is to D is equal to, is it cancel? Yes. 0 0 0 0 cancel. Now 18 is to 30 is to 36 is 63. Is it divisible by any other number? Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 6 is 18, 3 10 is 30, 3 12 is 36, 3 21. So answer is 6 is to A is to B is to C is to D is equal to 6 is to 10 is to 12 is to 21 is the answer. So please don't confuse here. So A is to B, this is B is to C, this is C is to D. First what I done, 5 6 21, 630. Second step, 12 6 5. Third step, 12 5 5. Fourth step, 12 5 3. Like the way we should do, then definitely we will get the easily. So you can do answer any question, simple method. Now let us go to the question number 5. The question number 5 is, A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4. So B is to C is equal to 2 is to 3. Then C is to D is equal to 8 is to 5. Now ask for the A is to D. So this question we have to solve is, first we need the A and D value only. So then this is, we can say, the compound ratio. Simple, A by B into B by C into C by D. If you write C C B B cancel, only A by D B left. In the same way, if I do 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 into 8 by 5, if I have done, the value will be 2 3 3 cancel, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 4 ja is equal to 4 by 5, or A is to D is equal to 4 is to 5 is the answer. It is very